Okay, here's the latest creation. A White House press briefing on the latest situation in 2020. Of course, that is the COVID-19 coronavirus. You can see over through here, we've got our 45 giving a briefing. We got the doctors, Rachel Birx, Dr. Anthony Fauci, 45 himself, VP Mike Pence, and some random general in through there. Got the Marines. Looks like they're giving out some toilet paper and alcohol with wipes and stuff like that. You can see social distancing practices, the spacing of the reporters. Looks like there's people there to take your temperature. Some closer look at some of the reporters. One, I guess, is breaking out the Constitution to see if we're breaking any laws here. Looks like that reporter is asking a question. This one's taking some notes. And that one is taking a picture with the Etch-a-Sketch. And it looks like this gentleman here is definitely getting his temperature taken. And with some hand sanitizer in there. And from behind. And again, White House briefing scene.